Alright, so welcome to my YouTube channel. John Trade here. Welcome. So I'll be talking about the top 3 free trading tools or software you can use for backtesting, journaling, and copy trading. Yeah. So the first one is TraderCasa. TraderCasa is a free backtesting tool that up to six months of trading data. Can backtest and this is a screenshot from a friend of mine. I know FX. Shout out to you. Yeah, you can just add screenshot like he did there. Add screenshot of your trades, and it's very helpful to keep track of your trades. The third one is FXGlow. FXGlow is a trading software to copy trades across multiple accounts, and it's free. So it's very good if you have many accounts and it just make the job easier. And comment which one you currently use or you plan to use. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.